Hey, what's up everyone? If you're using Razorpay for payments and ActiveCampaign for email marketing, I'm going to show you how to connect these two platforms to automate your workflows and keep everything running smoothly. So let's get started. To make this integration work, we can use Zapier as a bridge between Razorpay and ActiveCampaign. But we're going to leave that for another time. Razorpay is not directly integrated with ActiveCampaign as a native app. However, if you need a direct integration, you would need to explore custom API connections between Razorpay and ActiveCampaign. If you go to Settings and to Developer, you'll see that ActiveCampaign has an open API. So it is possible to build custom integrations if you have development resources. All right, so here's how this works. You need to copy your API URL and your API key. And also in Razorpay, you need to get your API key and secret key as well. Then you need to set up webhooks to receive notifications about various events such as contact creation or updates. And then you can, let's click on Add Webhook. You can then configure the webhook URL in your ActiveCampaign account settings. So when an event occurs, ActiveCampaign will send a post request to the specified webhook URL. So you can use the ActiveCampaign API to create or update contacts, add tags, and perform other actions based on the payment events received from Razorpay. You can also automate various processes such as adding customers to your ActiveCampaign contact list when they make a payment through Razorpay, or updating customer information in ActiveCampaign when it changes in Razorpay. Yeah, so this is a more advanced way of connecting Razorpay to ActiveCampaign. The more common route would be to use Zapier. Nevertheless, once your Razorpay payments and ActiveCampaign marketing are in sync, it'll give you more time to focus on growing your business. So if you're new to ActiveCampaign, click the link in the description for a free trial and start automating today. I'll see you in the next one.